How to make $100 literally your first day just by watching videos. And I'm talking literal PayPal after PayPal into your bank account, literally just to use your eyeballs and watching videos you probably would already be watching anyway. So sit back, relax, and grab some popcorn because in this video, we're gonna be talking about how you can make money online in 24 hours or less and earn your first $100 literally just by watching videos. So let's go. Alright, what is up guys, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you're new here, first of all, do two quick things. Make sure you smash that like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and also make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells. Why? Because we pick a winner every single day, the first commenter on all of our videos. So shout out to our last winner, and who knows, maybe you could be our next winner, but not if you don't subscribe and turn on the bells. And so in today's video, we're not gonna be talking about how to become a millionaire overnight or anything like that, but we are going to talk about how you can start to earn some very, very easy money literally just by watching videos and using a little bit of your time. Because with all entrepreneurship, you either have more time or you have more money, but you don't have both. So if you're at the beginning, you probably have more time and you want some money, or if you already have a bunch of money, then that means you don't have a lot of time. And so in this video, we're going to talk about how you can earn your first few dollars online and then actually invest those dollars into yourself to learn more about more scalable ways to make money online, like e-commerce, digital marketing, and a bunch of other beautiful things like that we have lots more videos on. And so without further ado, let's jump into the top ways to make money online just by watching videos. Welcome into my screen. So the first way that we're gonna talk about how to make money just by watching videos online is actually called feature points. Now, we're gonna be talking about a few websites that I promise you've never heard of. Some ways we're even gonna teach you how you can earn Bitcoin and Ethereum actually just from watching videos, which is super crazy and brand new because with the explosion of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and all of these things of late, now there are websites and ways and apps to actually make money just by watching videos, but instead of just making money, you can actually make Bitcoin, which equals money. So basically you're making money, but Bitcoin first and then turning it into money. You can see right here, you can earn rewards on your phone or the web using surveys, cashback, and more. And so ultimately what you can see right here is they have a lot of different ways to do this, right? They have surveys like a lot of the other sites that you've probably seen. They have little games that you can play. You can earn cashback directly to your favorite stores like Microsoft, Walmart. You can download free games and apps and actually earn points that you can then turn into money. And you can even share the app with your friends or other people, and then you can earn 50% of all of the points that they actually earn when they use the app. So if you actually refer a lot of different people and everyone's making free money doing it, then you can earn a bunch of additional free money for the free money that they earn. And then once you actually accumulate those points, you can see that you can actually just cash it out into Amazon, PayPal, Microsoft, and a bunch of other different websites, which is pretty cool. The next app that we're gonna be talking about is called app trailers. You can see right here, there's over 40,000 reviews. What you can see is you can actually look at video trailers, right? Watching video trailers, watching videos online, of apps, new apps, gossip, do-it-yourself videos, and so many other ways where you can literally just watch these videos and you can earn points, which ultimately you can cash in for cash money. Now you might be wondering to yourself, Kevin, why are they paying me to watch these videos? Well, think about it like this. Every time that you actually are on YouTube, like right now, or Facebook, or many other apps, there's advertisers who are paying money to get their message in front of your eyeballs. And this is no different. There's multi-million and multi-billion dollar companies that have massive, unimaginable ad budgets, and they're willing to pay to get in front of their target demographics. And so just by watching videos and ads and new apps and trailers and all these sorts of things, you're ultimately giving your attention in exchange for money from these companies that want to show you their message, product, or service. The next app that we're going to be talking about is called SlideJoy. You can see right here, they have over 100,000 reviews, which is pretty wild. And you can see right here that literally how this works is same as the Kindle. When you buy the Kindle on Amazon, you can buy it for $90 or you can buy it for $130. It's the exact same technology. It's the exact same everything. The only difference literally is that the cheaper model shows you advertisements on the lock screen, right? SlideJoy does the exact same thing. Basically what happens is every time you lock your phone screen, it actually will passively display an ad that you may or may not see or care about at all, and you get paid literally just to walk around with your phone exactly the same as everything, where it passively shows advertisements on your actual lock screen. Now, some people might say, well, that's crazy, I would never want that. Then don't do it. But if you don't care about it and you can get extra money and get paid literally for no work whatsoever, right? Maybe it makes sense to actually integrate SlideJoy and start earning money literally for doing nothing. The next app that we're gonna talk about is called App Nana. Now you can see right here, this has over 567,000 reviews, which is absolutely insane. That's an absurd amount of actual reviews there. And you can see that you can actually play games, invite friends, and get and earn a bunch of free gift cards, right? So they say it's the most popular mobile reward app now available on Android. They've paid over $10 million, right, in games and gift card credits, which is pretty awesome. And you can see right here, like the other apps, that you can get free gift cards just by watching videos, right? And a lot of people, you know, they'll play the video and not actually watch it, or they'll always have it kind of playing passively in the background while they're on Twitch or playing video games or reading or doing whatever they want to do. It's not like you have to sit there and watch it with your eyes locked onto it, and nobody probably does that, right? You can have multiple of these apps. You can earn on all of them. You can actually see which one you're earning the most in the shortest amount of time, and then you can actually concentrate your time doing that. And then last but not least, we're gonna teach you how you can actually earn Bitcoin and Ethereum literally just by watching videos. But before we do, if you guys are enjoying this video, I'm doing a lot of research, going out, finding these apps, which ones actually work, which ones don't, which ones have hundreds of thousands of reviews, which ones, you know, are probably not as legit as some of the main ones that actually pay out their users when they say they will. If you're enjoying this video, do me two quick favors. Make sure you tap on that like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be our next big winner for leaving the first comment on every one of our videos. And do me one last quick favor, comment down below, make money online. And if we get 1,000 comments that say make money online on this video, then I'll release a brand new crazy strategy where you guys can actually earn money from home in a brand new way that I've never actually released before on this channel. And I promise you guys, you're gonna love it if we get 1,000 comments down below that say make money online. So last but not least, you guys can see right here, this app is called TV2, right? Watch and earn rewards, and you can get Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see right here, they have over 250,000 reviews with close to a 5-star review, which is actually insane because most of these apps, you know, there's a bunch of people who whine and say, you can't become a millionaire using this free app, getting free money for no work. Remember guys, there's no free lunches. You're not gonna go out and make $1 million for free. If you are gonna make money for relatively free, it's gonna cost you time. There's nothing free in this world, and if you wanna make money, you have to work, or you have to give your attention, or you have to give your time. There's no way around it. And the cool part about TV2 is actually how this works. You can see right here that you literally just watch the videos you love and you earn crypto while doing so, right? They have over 2 million creators on their platform, and all you have to do is select your favorite creators, sit back and just watch the creators you'd probably watch anyways, but instead of just watching those creators for free, now you're actually earning Bitcoin and Ethereum literally just to watch your favorite creators, which if you're like me, you'd probably do anyways for free, come on. And so let me know down below in the comments if you're gonna download any of these. Also let me know down in the comments if you have suggestions for future videos. I love hearing from you guys. I promise you guys, I read every single comment. I try to reply to every single comment. So leave suggestions for future videos that you wanna see, and let me know if you're gonna download any of these apps. And like I said before, if we get 1,000 comments, we'll release a crazy, never seen before video on our channel. And if you didn't know already, we actually have 2 additional YouTube channels. We have More Kevin David, where we release a bunch of fun new videos, and we also have the Kevin David Experience, our top 25 podcasts in the world for entrepreneurs, where we interview some of the best and brightest millionaires and billionaires from all around the world. So make sure you check out both of those down in the description. Or if you'd like to just keep watching videos on this channel, we have a brand new playlist of the best make money online videos in the entire world coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. Click the playlist in the middle of the screen, guys. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.